Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech that actually matters to you. Today, we're looking at something small in size but massive in power, the ROG NUC 2025. If you've followed the evolution of gaming PCs, you know that NUCs, next units of computing, have usually been compact productivity machines. But ASUS's Republic of Gamers has taken that concept and turned it into something different, a mini PC that's not just capable of gaming, but one that promises desktop-class power in a portable form. The real question is, does it live up to that promise? Stick around, because this review covers everything you need to know. The first impression is striking. The ROG NUC 2025 doesn't look like a boring black box. It carries ASUS's gaming DNA, sharp lines, futuristic edges, and subtle RGB accents that make it feel like gaming hardware instead of an office tool. It's roughly console-sized, compact enough to fit in a backpack, and bold enough to make a statement on any desk setup. If portability matters to you, whether you're moving between rooms, LAN parties, or even traveling, this little box is a dream machine. Now let's get into what's inside. The ROG NUC 2025 is powered by Intel's new 14th Gen Core Ultra processors, paired with NVIDIA's latest RTX 50 series mobile GPUs. Depending on the configuration, you can go up to an RTX 5070 or even RTX 5080. Add DDR5 memory, expandable up to 64 GB, plus lightning-fast Gen 5 SSD storage, and you've got a system that reads like a high-end gaming laptop on paper, except with more efficient cooling and slightly better upgradability. Here's the hook, don't let the size fool you. This thing can push AAA titles at 1440p and even 4K. Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, Call of Duty, these run on high or ultra settings without stutter. Competitive titles like Valorant or Apex Legends? They fly at insanely high frame rates, especially with a high refresh rate monitor. Thanks to HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1, you can run 4K monitors, ultrawides, or even multiple displays without issue. In short, it performs like a full gaming desktop, but in a body you can carry with one hand. Cooling is where most compact systems struggle, but ASUS clearly worked hard here. The ROG NUC 2025 uses a vapor chamber cooling design with dual fans to push hot air out efficiently. During heavy gaming, you'll hear a low hum, but it's far quieter than most gaming laptops. More importantly, the temperatures stay in check, no severe throttling, no sudden dips in performance. This gives it an edge over many portable systems, letting you play longer and harder without worrying about overheating. Connectivity is another strength. You're getting plenty of ports: USB-A, USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 7. That means whether you're hooking up VR headsets, multiple displays, or external drives, you won't run into limitations. It's ready for whatever setup you want, whether gaming, streaming, or creative work. Now, let's talk real-world use. Booting it up feels instant, multitasking is fluid, and apps load quickly thanks to the fast SSDs. For gamers who also stream or edit videos, this little powerhouse handles workloads like Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, or Blender surprisingly well. You're not just buying a gaming PC, you're getting a creative workstation in a tiny package. And here's another hook: imagine having desktop-class power, but being able to slide it into a backpack. That's the freedom the ROG NUC 2025 gives you. You can game, stream, or edit from anywhere without lugging around a bulky tower. Now, no device is perfect. Because of its compact design, upgradability is limited. Yes, you can swap RAM and storage, but the GPU is locked to ASUS's design. That's expected in a small form factor PC, but worth noting if you're the type who upgrades every year. Pricing is also premium. You're paying for performance, but also for engineering, portability, and design. It costs more than building a budget tower, but its true competition isn't budget desktops, it's gaming laptops and high-end pre-builts, and in that category it holds up very well. So who should consider the ROG NUC 2025? If you're a gamer who wants a small but powerful system, this is a fantastic choice. If you're a creator who needs a compact machine that won't compromise on power, it fits the bill. Or if you simply want a desktop-class PC without sacrificing your desk space, the ROG NUC 2025 is going to make you very happy. At the end of the day, the Asus ROG NUC 2025 is proof that small form factor gaming has matured. It's stylish, compact, powerful, and versatile. It offers desktop performance in a console-sized machine that looks good and runs cool. Yes, it's not the cheapest, and yes, upgrades are limited, but what you're getting is convenience without compromise. And that makes it one of the most exciting gaming PCs of 2025. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you honest reviews that dig deep into the tech that really matters. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss the next review. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep vibing with tech.